Welcome back to my channel. We're in Aruba. Today we are taking you on a tour of a beautiful property right here in the heart of Oranjestad Aruba. If you're looking for a place to stay that offers both a local experience and an easy access to the beach, this spot might be just what you're looking for. This charming one-bedroom vacation apartment is centrally located in Oranjestad, surrounded by the vibrant city atmosphere and stunning beach scenery. Whether you're a traveler wanting to dive into a local culture or just want to relax by the beach, this property offers the best of both worlds. But before we get to the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Alright, let's jump right in. You can book this property through Airbnb. The link is in the description below. Now, let's head inside and see what this cozy apartment has to offer. One of the first things you'll notice is the convenience of the location. There's plenty of parking space so you can safely leave your vehicle. From here, it's just a few steps to the main road leading straight to some of the Aruba's best beaches. Alright, let's step inside and explore this cozy home. As you walk in, you're greeted by a warm living and dining area combined with a compact but fully functional kitchenette. It's equipped with all the basics you'll need to prepare simple meals during your stay. Perfect for a quick breakfast or relaxed dinner at home. Next, we have the bedroom featuring a comfortable king-size bed with fresh linens. There's a large closet for your storage needs and a smart television for those evenings when you just want to kick back and watch your favorite shows. The entire apartment is fully air-conditioned, but you can also open the windows and doors to let in the cool island breeze and enjoy the view. Now, let's check out the bathroom. It's clean, modern, and elegantly designed, complete with a vanity and all the amenities you would expect for a comfortable stay. It's a perfect spot to refresh after a day out exploring. This property has a private patio and fence yard. It's an ideal space to enjoy your morning coffee or just relax in the fresh air. Plus, there's a barbecue grill if you feel like cooking up something special and dining outdoors. Need to refuel your rental car? There's a gas station conveniently located just along the road. Peanut Restaurant is a restaurant in downtown Oranjestad and is home to the best peanut sauce in the island. Bits and Cheeses is the perfect spot for an unforgettable culinary experience in Aruba. El Gaucho serves a variety of tempting dishes featuring a quality Argentine steaks, tender and juicy, charcoal grilled to perfection. Olivier Restaurant with the delicious, creative Mediterranean dishes from Greece, Italy, Morocco, Lebanon, Spain, and southern France. There's also Santos for a casual coffee shop. Ristorante Italiano Restaurant with the traditional and high-quality Italian cuisine and wines. For your shopping needs, Links & Son Supermarket is just a half-kilometer drive away, making it easy to stock up on groceries and essentials. If you prefer public transportation, the central bus stop in Oranjestad is just a short walk from the property, offering easy access to the rest of the island. And speaking of getting around, renting a car is highly recommended for exploring the island, with the daily rental rates ranging from $35 to $60 per day. Central Oranjestad's main street offers a variety of shopping malls such as Renaissance Mall, Zara, and other establishments for you to enjoy. Fort Zoutman is also in Oranjestad, one of the historical museum. It is the oldest structure on the island of Aruba, one of the main tourist attraction on the island, and regarded by UNESCO as a place of memory of the slave trade route in the Latin Caribbean. Linear Park offers a pathway perfect for jogging and walking that leads toward central Oranjestad, passing by beaches like Picnic Beach and Governor's Beach along the way. Several walking distance beaches such as Picnic Aruba, as the name suggests. Picnic Beach is the perfect place to have a picnic and gathering with your family or loved ones under the shades of the trees. Next is Governor's Beach. Governor's Beach is the white sand beach near the Wilhelmina Park and the Renaissance Hotel in downtown Oranjestad, Aruba. Last one is Surfside Beach. It's the beach located just right before the airport and only few minutes away from the downtown Oranjestad. This beach is perfect for families with children since the water is shallow and calm. So, if you're ready to experience in a unique and comfortable way, this property is waiting for you. Don't forget to check the Airbnb link in the description for more details and availability.